Ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Ukwazi inselelo phansi lenkandla wahlathi mnyama ngiyanimukela futhi today on my YouTube channel.
Nkosi yami.
You have a lot in common, you know, because yonke into eniyenzayo it looks very common. You see? So to a point ukuthi ufuna ukumphikisa but akaphikiseki because ithi inhliziyo nothando lwakho siyafana nalomuntu. So it's when uvuma khona izinto eziningi obengamele uzivuma. That's when respect isuka inkulu ngendlela eyisimanga. You respect each other regardless. And then we have the stage 2. So stage 2 sisibiza ngokuthi realism phase, or it's a big turn of phase. So stage 2 noma phase 2 it's more of stage esingasibiza ngokuthi kulapho urealize izinto ongasithandi ngomuntu wakho. Kula unotice khona ukuthi zonke lezi zinto the wena wangazinaka ku phase 1, ku phase 2 that's when uqala uzinaka. And mawuzinaka lezi zinto lezi uzinaka ngendlela ukuthi each and every time uzinaka zibe yi-10 off kuwena. So ku phase 1 you ignore ama red flags. Now you start noticing even ama smaller nyana red flags. So to a point ukuthi you start doing izinto manje ngokuziforce. Each and every time oyenzayo you're forcing yourself because you're trying to prove ukuthi lento ebiyenzeka ku phase 1 was reality. So you now pushing ukuthi phase 2 awubukeke njengo phase 1.
Kuba nesikhathi nyana.
Exactly. And now phase 2 usunalento ukuthi usukumla. And ngendlela kumla ngakhona kunezinto ofisa kuba vocal ngazo but because phase 1 awubanga vocal ngazo sekunzima manje ukuthi ube vocal ngazo right now. So now you pushing izinto that you're not supposed to push ku phase 2. And it's more like ne-sexing if beniyenza kakhulu now seniqala ukuthi nibe nezikhathi usuyamnaka noma ukuthi medle uyancafuza usuyamnaka ukuthi noma exubhile eshiya Colgate la usamsuli because umbona ngathi umesinyana sekunokuthi nongabe mhlambe nivuka ekseni awusamqabuli the way bumqabula ngakhona because now you even start smelling things. So even amaphunga obungawanaki now asiyaqala manje aqhamuka. So ziningi izinto obu ignorant kuzona. So it's more like usuka inkungu ebusweni bakho ithi nanga umuntu omkhethile. Nakuyena kusuka inkungu ithi nanga umuntu obumkhethile. So that leads to stage 3, which is stage 2. It's more of a fake stage 1. So stage 2 you just repeating izinto zaka stage 1 but now wanzenzi ngokuthanda kwezinhliziyo zenu. You're just pushing whatever that you're pushing because with stage 1 that's what you portrayed as a person in a relationship. So you're just trying to angazi noma nokunaka nokuthi relationship uyibona ukuthi hayi mana isafani sinazama ukuthi ibalancise seneyibhaleka senibeka amatshe senenza izinto eziningi ezumxhantele zomxhumo wengazi ukuthi nanivumelene ukuthi nina njalo ngo Friday niyaphuma nodla isapha somewhere nodla idila somewhere senasiforced omunye umfica ukuthi senamanye ama commitments. Okay.
No, uthola ukuthi nani ngavumelene.
Yes.
Bekuyinto eniyenzayo because it's part of love, it's easy. Yenzenzakala ukuthi you go out on a Friday because that's the time you guys get from after work or whatever.
Yeah.
But manje ngoba senikule stage sokuthi seniyazama senize nishane timetable ke manje ukuthi sekumele kwenzeke because seniyabona ukuthi no 2 and say prioritize izinto enanizenza no 2 senikwenza kube umthetho
relationship whereas that's another thing that kills a lot of our relationship ukubeka imithetho. So if senibeka imithetho relationship seqalile sen already senithanda ukuthi niwele wena senithanda ukuthi nilimalele wena but now before silimalele suwele wena sike sibone ukuthi phase 3 usiphatheleni. So phase 3 we call it first betrayal of trust. So when we say first betrayal of trust, so remember when you get into a relationship you try by all means ukuthi ususa bonke abantu abaseduze kwakho abama bad influence so that you impress this person omusha empilweni yakho. So if uthanda ukuhamba nabangani bakho niyobuka ibhola mawumjita nihamba ney'tediyamu you start now doing izinto nomuntu wakho. Right? So kunezinto eziningi umuntu wakho angazazi ngawo ukuthi uyasithanda as a human being. So kunezinto eziningi okade ukuzenza ekuzaleni kwakho usujwayele vele ukuzenza but because you're in this relationship, you start now avoiding doing these things. Because now umuntu wakho mhlawumbe wakutshela ukuthi akayithandi indoda enje. Remember ukuthi yonke into uyayivuma. You're like, no, I'm not like that. I'm not that man. So if wena ngithe mina ngimthanda umfazi obhemayo noma ngimthanda umfazi ohamba nabangani, you start avoiding now your friends.
Yeah.
You're neglecting all the things those stand out because of this relationship. Now, phase 3 is when you start going back now to all these things bezikwenza happy. So now after usuqalile manje phase 2 forced izinto zanga forced, and then now you start now ukuthi ube uwe. So we call it first betrayal of trust because that's when umuntu nomuntu umbona ngendlela ehlukile then ku phase 1. So once mase ngibona usuhlukile then lo muntu ebengikwazi uye sengizoqala manje ngilahlekelwe ukuthemba. So ufika ukuthi indlela zakho zenza asihlangene nomjolo, asihlangene nezinto ezukuthi ngempela zububi. You just being yourself. You just going back to be you the way ubungakhona even before. So if ubumuntu wesifazana uyithandile ukufunda library because the relationship kept her busy to a point ukuthi wazogcina avoid ukuya library. The moment you decide ukuthi okay, for my happiness let me go back to my library and do what I do best and do what makes me happy. Your partner now uzosifila the space ukuthi umuntu wami there's something that keep up busy than me. So if your man ebethanda ibhola nokuhamba nabangani bakhe bowuchilla, that doesn't mean ukuthi kunomjolo phakathi nento eyithile. When as a woman now you start feeling that space, that gap, that void between you guys ukuthi okay, actually this person senginezinto akazenzayo because lezi zinto akazenzayo akuzona izinto lezi wena ozaziyo. Ubusujwayele ukuthi uhlezele eduze kwakho. But because now yonke lento eniyenza ifake ayilona iqiniso, ikhandwe fairy tale. Isiyaqala manje yavela umnini. So the moment ivela umnina in that relationship, that's when you feel uqhekeko. So now abantu besifazana abaningi when kunoqhekeko in a relationship, they start building their own pictures, they start creating their own pictures. When they start creating their own pictures, that's when yonke lento lena ivuka manje ibe yinto engayona. So kabili abantu besifazana bayahlanya. So when they're creating these pictures, but created the way ukuthi uBryce mayiphume ekhuphukethi ejiketi. Hey, kunentombi usho lehlala lapha kula khona. Njalo ngo5 ntambama uyajikela uBryce aphume ngale, afike axoxe nentombi yakhe mase yabuya la endlini, abuye ngo8. So you doing all these things, njalo meyichofoni usuke sezophuma. So you start creating all these pictures ekhanda lakho. Ufica ukuthi uBryce vele uyakujolela. And the way akujolela ngakhona akakujoleli the direction le wena esekhanda lakho, akujoleli in this direction. Yena ukujolela ngezikhathi zakhe and ukuphuma kwakhe shona ngenhla kuhlangene nokujola kwakhe. Yena meyojola uphuma eshona ezantsi nakaphuma ngalesikhathi usicabangayo ukuthi yilesikhathi lesi ojolelwa ngaso. So here's the thing eqala ke manje ukuthi ibe first betrayal of trust. When you creating all these things, us creator uthi mo approach uBryce ngazo kube ngazo uyahlanya. Cause zonke into ozikhulumayo zingamanga for the fact ukuthi uyajola kumenza ukuthi ibe defensive because yonke lento oyikhulumayo ukuhlanya ekutheni yebo khona yajola kodwa lento oyikhulumayo ingamanga. Naye kumkhanda ukuthi angabi nesineke nawe understand ukuthi where you coming from. Remember ukuthi now usunento zakho zenzayo. The moment ukhuluma into engeyona kulena akayenzayo naye he starts ukuthi abe defensive. So that's when now you're having a lot of things ezingama questions between you guys and buzana zona engezona iqiniso. So you start questioning yourself ukuthi ngaba ngisamnelisa uBryce, or uBryce start questioning himself ukuthi ngabe umuntu wami akasaneli yini mina, ngabe singambhora, ngaba ngisesiyona indoda akayithandayo. All these things to a point ukuthi even the sex ya change. You start now having sex not because you just having sex, you now start experimenting it. So ansayenza ukuthi niyaenjoy, you basically accepting ukuthi I'm in a serious relationship. So that's a stage where you're like, I'm doing all these things because I'm in a serious relationship. Because phase 3, isikhathi sethi sokuthi ukwenza ukuthi urealize ukuthi fuck, this is the serious relationship and there's no way ukuthi ngiyaphuma la, and this relationship njobe nje yohlalisha and ugcina uba nesithombe strong ngale serious relationship. So most people badlula kuzona zonke lezi stage and badlula kuzona, it doesn't mean ukuthi nosufikile stage sithatha isikhathi eside, sithatha isikhathi esincane, ku depend on communication yenu ukuthi nina the level of understanding nina no2 ingakanani. Maybe you can just talk through the phase isheshe idlule, you can just talk through ezinye izinto isheshe idlule. But the first betrayal of trust, it's where lonke ilanqala khona nokhuluma ningathembani, iqala khona izinto where you start to be less attracted umuntu wakho, where you start to say izinto unganaki nokunaka ukuthi sifike zahlala kanjani enhlizweni yakhe, when you say amagama athile, where you fight ngendlela ukuthi aningakabi kodwa uyabona ukuthi khona la ivuthwa khona iyakhona, aningaka approachani. Zonke lezi zinto mayisenzeka khumbula ukuthi ngithe umuntu wesifazana nalezi zinto ekhanda lakhe nomuntu wesilisa nawo nezakhe itori, just that ezomuntu wesilisa ziless ezomuntu wesifazana eziningi. So zonke lezi zinto malokhu uzikhanda, lezo stories kuledela ku stage 4 noma ku phase 4, which is phase 4. It's a gaslight phase. So most of my relationship price nawe ghost lady aphela ku phase 4.
But I feel like amanye angeke amsurvive u3.
If an survive 3 phela u3
3
so amanye phela khona ku phase 3.
Manje uthi ambheke ubona ukuthi ayibonga ngicabangeni.
So most of our relationship aphela lapha ku phase 4 because phase 4 it's more of gaslight. That's why umthola ukuthi ngangithandana nohlanya la noma that's why usika ukuthi ngangithandana nomuntu osimart
Sekwenzakalani?
in